Hello students, very good morning. This is our maths class and in maths we have studied up to tens and ones. You have completed this in notebook also. So today we will start with representing numbers on the abacus. Now what is abacus? Abacus is a tool for counting. It is the other method of counting numbers. The abacus shown here has two rods, ones and tens. This is ones and this is tens. The rod on the right shows the ones and the rod on the left shows the tens. Now you can see here there are two rods. This is ones and this is tens. Now I will explain you. While writing numbers, we have to separate them in two sections, in tens and ones. For example, if I am writing here 23, so what will be the tens and ones in 23? First of all, we have to start with right. Right number will be first 3 and then we have to write here 2. So 3 is in ones place and 2 is in tens place. And now this 23 we have to write using abacus. I am drawing these two rods. This is the tool for abacus. This is tens, this is ones. Now first of all we will see how to write the numbers on this tool. For example, I am taking here number 8. So how will we write 8 in abacus? 8 is in ones place. It is not in tens place. 8 is in ones place. It is a single number. So we will write 8 using the bids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are 8 and we have written in ones place. Whenever we are representing numbers on abacus, we have to draw bids like this. This is for single number. If we are taking here 16, so how will we write here? First of all, we will make here tens, ones, and now we will see which is in tens place and which is in ones place. 6 is in ones place and 1 is in tens place. While drawing bids on abacus tool, first of all we have to start with tens place. Tens place, how many bids are there? 1. So we will draw here 1 bid. And ones place 6. So we will draw here 6 bids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this way you have to draw the bids. One more example we will take. Suppose 20. Now first of all we will draw here tens, ones. Now here 2 is in tens place and 0 is in ones place. Now first of all we will draw bids in tens place. How many bids? 2. And in ones place how many bids are there? 0. So we don't have to draw any bids. So this is the number 20. 2 tens are there. Now we will solve some examples here. See here, let us understand how to represent numbers on the abacus. So here first number is given as 3. So 3 will be come in ones place. We have to draw 3 bids. 1, 2, 3. For number 15, 5 will be in ones place and 1 will be in tens place. So we have drawn here 1 bid and here 5 bids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next number is 20 that I have already explained you. Now next question is write the number shown by the following abaki. Now here you can see in these pictures already beads have been drawn. What we have to find? We have to find the numbers. Now we will count it. How many tens are there? 1 tens here. You can see one bead is there. So we will write here 1. And how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3. So we will write here 3. Next, how many tens are there? 1 10. And how many beads? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beads. In third, how many tens? 1 10 and 2 beads. So it will become 12. Fourth, 1 10 and ones how many? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 17. Next is, now here see, is there any bead on tens place? No, there is no beads. But in ones place, how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we will write only 6. No value in tens place. Last, how many beads? 1. And how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you understood how to count the beads and you have to write here numbers. Next, in next question we have to draw beads to show the given numbers on a bag. Numbers are given, we have to draw beads. Which number is this? 11. So what will we write? Which value will come in tens place? 1. And in ones place? 1. So 1 bead on tens place and 1 bead on ones place. Next, 9. Now you can see only single number is there. No tens value is there. So 9 will come in ones place. So we have to draw 9 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next, 13. 13. Now you can see here 1 is in tens place. So we will draw here 1 bead and 3 is in ones place. So how many beads? 3. 1, 2, 3. Now next, 19. For 19, we will draw here 1 bead in tens place and 9 beads in ones place. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Similarly, next is 5. Now you can see here only single number is there. So 5 we have to draw beads on ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No beads will come in tens place. Why? Because there is no number in tens place. Next, 15. So 15, 1 will come in tens place and 5 will come in ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the examples we have solved on abacus. You have to write in rough book and show me.